Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture on data structures and algorithms. The topic to be discussed is AVL trees and heap. Understanding two powerful tree data structures is essential, and let us dive into two foundational data structures that power modern computing, from database indexing to task scheduling algorithms. What is an AVL tree? Named after an AVL tree is a self-balancing binary search tree that maintains structural equilibrium through automatic adjustments. The key innovation are the high difference between left and right subtrees never exceeds 1, guaranteeing order of log n time complexity for all core operations. This balance makes AVL tree ideal when fast lookups and ordered data retrieval are mission-critical requirements. AVL tree rotations, keeping balance. Rotations are the secret mechanism that maintains AVL tree balance after insertions, deletions, ensuring the logarithmic height property is preserved. Single rotations, double rotations, automatic rebalancing are the operations of an AVL tree. In single rotation, left to left and right to left, right to right cases handle simple imbalances with one rotation operation, shifting nodes to restore equilibrium efficiently. Double rotations include left to right and right to left scenarios require two sequential rotations to fix more complex imbalances in the tree structure. Automatic rebalancing after every insertion or deletion, the tree checks balance factors and applies rotations automatically to maintain optimal height. What is a heap? A heap is a complete binary tree with a special ordering property that makes it exceptionally efficient for priority-based operations. There are two types, maximum heap property and minimum heap property. In maximum heap property, every parent node has a value greater than or equal to its children, keeping the maximum element at the root, instant access. In minimum heap property, every parent node has a value less than or equal to its children, maintaining the minimum element at the root position. Heaps are commonly implemented as arrays for superior cache efficiency mapping parent-child relationships through simple index arithmetic. Heap operations and applications. Core operations are insertion and removing operations, both running order of log n time by bubbling elements up or down the tree to maintain heap property. Building a complete heap from scratch can be done in order of n time using an efficient bottom-up approach called Heapify. Real-world applications are priority queues for task scheduling systems, the shatter spot algorithm, prim's minimum spanning tree, heap sort for in-place sorting, event-driven simulation engines. AVL tree versus a heap. The key differences with their features are: in structure, AVL tree is balanced binary search tree, whereas heap is a complete binary tree. In ordering, AVL tree is in order sorted BST property, whereas heap is a partial order maintaining heap property. In search efficiency, the time complexity of an AVL tree is order of log n. In heap, for an arbitrary element, the time complexity is order of n. Minimum and maximum access of an AVL tree is the order of log n. For a tree of heap is order of 1 for minimum or maximum element. Primary use case. of an AVL tree is fast search and ordered data access, and for a heap is priority queue and fast minimum element search and the maximum element search. Understanding these fundamental differences helps you select the optimal data structure for your specific algorithmic needs. Thank you all.